We are in Pokrovsk, which is one of the largest cities along the eastern front line in Ukraine, and it's currently Russia's main target. For almost a year, they've been moving forward towards Pokrovsk, and now Russian soldiers are just about 2 miles outside the city. We are heading in today in part because it's rainy and foggy, which makes it harder for the Russians to fly drones into the city.
Not long ago, Pokrovsk was thriving. Now it lies in ruins, with its remaining residents living under constant threat from aerial bombardment.
Дроны летают, взрываются прямо возле людей, падают. Крыша трусится, все на голову сыпется, вот эта щепень, все вздрагивается. По ночам вообще спать невозможно. Двери трусятся, все трусится, все страшно. Такие прилеты.
Nearly 3 years into the war, Russian forces have steadily been advancing on this strategically important city. It's now at risk of being surrounded.
Буду тут, а що? Уб'ють, так уб'ють. Не вб'ють. Попробуй попасти. Попробуй.
6 months ago, when we were last in Pokrovsk, this was one of the liveliest, most populated parts of town. There were apartment buildings full of people around us. There was cultural life. And right to my left here, there was an upscale mall that had restaurants, a grocery store, shops to buy new phones and other goods. Today, all of that's been destroyed. The buildings are abandoned, and the mall is completely gutted by Russian artillery.
A hub for rail and road networks, Pokrovsk is vital to Ukraine's frontline operations. But Russian aerial attacks have put this key logistical hub under huge pressure.
Here we have a downed explosive drone, which has become one of the biggest threats, both to civilians and military in Pokrovsk, and is a big change from even a year ago. Now they're so common that they're attacking even parked cars, civilians, and they're the number one thing that people in Pokrovsk are afraid of as they're going about their lives.
Дроны тут мотаются, я не знаю, они как мухи тут летают. Здесь проходим двор, он над нами висит. Заходим на рынок, опять висит. Тот же самый.
Once home to more than 60,000 people, Pokrovsk has been emptying out and shutting down as the Russian forces have advanced. But Ukrainian officials believe that around 7,000 people remain in the city, and some of them are determined to stay no matter what happens.
Мне уже 76 лет. И зачем мне куда-то? Я хоть дома, плохо, хорошо ли? Печка ж есть, ставлю, чаек кипит. Ну, а что ж делать? Туда поедешь, а потом здесь все-таки я прожил 40 лет.